Alright, so welcome back in. So today in this video, we're gonna try to solve one of the Linux challenges. So today is lab 9, CS create execution permissions. So I think we did the same before, like this lab in the demo series. So I think it's not too much harder. It's not too much challenging because we can do it, right? Alright. Okay, alright. So in a bid to automate backup processes, the xfusioncorp industry system admin has developed a new bash script name. So bash script name is xfusioncorp sh5. When the script has been distributed to all necessary servers, it lacks executable permissions on F-Server. So they have the permission problem for execution on F-Server 1 within the Stratos data center. So we don't need to go to the F-Server 2 and F-Server 3. We just only need to go to F-Server 1 and we're gonna just visit that problem. What's that problem? So just do that. So our task is to grant executable permissions to this directory and this execution called sh script file on F-Server 1. So additionally, one more thing to be considered is is regarding with the user. So we're gonna have in Linux administration system, we're gonna have 3 types of user. I think we remember it's like user or owner for that file, and a group users. Another final type of user is like public users or other users, others. So we're gonna have 3 sort of user. So for any sort of user, for every sort of users, we're gonna give the executable permission. So let me go to the app server 1. So sh Tony stapb staff 01. So I'm gonna say yes, and then Tony password is we already know that is Iron Man, right? Alright, I paste there. So now we're on the app server 1. So let me check this file is existing or not using ls-l listing. So we have that file in this tmp directory, but here is the file permissions. So nothing. Here's an empty permission for every user. So let me get execution permission for all type of user. So here we can directly get sudo chmod chmod. So let me get 755. 7 means for owner user, we're gonna give full permission for reading, writing, and execution. And other user, we can give the read and execution permission. The public users, for the public user, we will get the same file. Is for reading and execution. Here, one more thing we need to remember is like we cannot do execution if we don't have free permission. So that's why we need to give both read and execution permission. So for this directory and file, so I will copy it and I will paste there. So Tony password is Ironman again, and we're gonna paste there. So let me see again. So this time we have the all related permissions for every sort of users, and now every users can do execution for that xfusioncorp script file, right? So we finished. That's it. So finally we can check it out and confirm. Yeah, that's it. So alright, so thanks for watching. I will catch you in this video.